Are we ready? And go.
Hello, my name is Shirley. This is my 11th grade portfolio about English presentation. In the English Bound Sentence Semester 2014 unit, we studied the new word, atlas, and signature language, and we using Casey Gosser, and we learn together sequence different ideas for work on by working together and compromising. Now let me talk about the vocabulary atlas. Atlas means was in part my
It's okay.
one idea I learned more about in this unit was the vocabulary atlas. Atlas means the words like this. And so atlas, so there is important part. Atlas was impact my reading because, for example, before I doing the reading guide, I cannot better to understand, but now I can understand better to understand the reading guide because I translate the atlas word first, and that make me better to understand. And the next one is I learned more about in this unit was Finnish language. Finnish language have three is metaphor and similar and personification. Metaphor means compare two different things without using the words like or as to show an idea. Similar means compare two different things using the words like or as to show an idea. Personification means describing a thing or animal or idea like a person. The Finnish language was important my story because why the Finnish language in my story can make my story more outstanding. Also can use the one or two words to show the big idea to people. Learning more about this impact me because the Finnish language helped me a lot in my reading and helped me to understand the songs. For example, Hit Me Like a Red Fortune. This is the song from Hello by Beyond. That means someone was born and was good for some people. Another one I learned more about in this unit was using Casey Ghost. Casey Ghost is the novel about the world. Using Casey Ghost helped me develop important skill is painting. This, for example, using Casey Ghost have more time to find the words that make me have paintings when I reading book. The impact of the skill is I understand by the fact that when I took Casey test, using Casey Ghost helped me to understand the word and get a better grade. Another one I learned more about in this unit was synthesize different ideas for both by working together and comprehend. That means the people talk together and share the different idea and make the point. These skills are important because this synthesize different ideas for purpose in formal English. Also, that impact my English because that make me speak more English. For example, we talk about the American dream question in book, and I will share my different idea and talk with my girl in English. In addition to the skill and knowledge I learned in the unit, I was improve my English in several ways. One idea is reading a book and make notes on every page. That means concentrate on reading a book and write some theme or the new words in your notebook if you don't understand. That can make you remember that word. This impacts my English because this helps me easy to find the note and understand the theme when you're reading a book. For example, when I'm doing the summer reading, I write the new words in my reading book. That helps me remember the words in my life. That also helps me remember the words in my life. When I communicate to people, I can use the new word and to talk with people and get more information. I also improve my English by reading a speaking poem with emotion and formation in form of an audience. That means have a emotion to reading or speaking the poem with and people. Also learning more about this impact myself because this give me more experience to speak with people. And for example, before I'm so scared to talk with people, but now I can speak in English with talk with people. These abilities are important because these abilities can help me improve my English speaking. This knowledge, skill, and English development practice. I learned in this unit was a noticeable impact on me. For example, before I learned about practice at the American Dream in English class, I was not good to Finnish language because I have more words I don't understand. But now I can add to understand the Finnish language and understand the more words. This is important because those skills improve my English. Any question?
Okay, you can ask questions about any of the things she talked about, but I can also give you
the
pink paper, right? Okay.
What does Italic shows? You talk about Italic, right?
Yeah, training myself is speak more English to people.
Wait, hold on. Let's hear can you say the question again?
What does Italic shows? The words that I write it like this.
Oh, I think so. The important part to me.
What was the more helpful thing that they did? What?
No.
Sorry.
First paragraph. Oh my gosh.
Someone.
Can
Let me see. Which one?
I know. Can you give an example for
Example
example
of metaphor.
of metaphor?
My friend is the cat. Yeah.
And what idea does that show? If you say, my friend is a cat.
Because my friend is so scared, so shy.
Scared.
Yeah, she's so scared of people and was so shy.
I don't think so. Cat is so scared.
Some cats.
It's fine.
It's an example, girl. Different kind.
Tell me about the book you read during independent reading time for English and college and career class.
Can you repeat it?
Tell me about the book you read during independent reading time for English and college and career class. Like when Mr. Paul give
The book that you were reading.
the book that we was reading, like 10 minutes when we start the class, or in home after school, you know, the new book. You read a book? Yeah. Tell me about the book. There was similar metaphors, figurative language, Italian word. The book that you decide to read in college and career and English class. Like when Miss Kelly showed us like a big card that had a lot of
When we
books
have
right
to
there,
read like for 10
and-
minutes.
Yeah. 10
In
minutes
coaching
with
career
the
class, like I think it was in coaching career Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, right?
Mhm.
That we have to read before class. We have to read a book in college and career class. What book did you read?
What book do you read during this time?
I read the
Just tell us the story is telling about what.
What is
Tell
that?
me if there are Italian words,
What
metaphors, similarities.
what is your main idea?
I read the summer reading.
Oh.
Yeah.
Interpretation?
The enter question. That's
Yeah.
the name of the summer reading. Is the enter question.
So, do you learn something right there, like figurative language, figurative language, similarities, metaphors, or?
Yeah. They also have the new words.
Okay.
I have a question. How figurative language help you to improve your English?
Yeah, figurative language is help me because that can help me understand the song and understand the stories of books.
Good. I think that's it.
What surprised you when you talking about the American dream with other students and other?
I support myself because I have more ideas and I can talk with people and so my ideas.
You say you surprised for you have a lot of idea. Can you explain have what idea?
Yeah, I support I think my idea is American dream is true because American is the free country and different people the people come from different country and they can have more communicate and get a different job and they can find more work and get the money and do what they want to do.
What is the American dream for you, in your own opinion? What do you think about American dream?
My American dream is get a better job and yeah, it's like get a better job.
And why is the American dream difficult for some people to get?
Because some people they are lazy and they don't work hard, but some people is very very hard to doing something that is difficult.
Are there some other reasons also? For example, we read a poem by Langston Hughes called what was it called? Let America Be America Again. He talked about some other ideas. What are some other ideas, some other reasons why it's difficult for some people to get the American dream?
Can you explain that?
So we read the poem by Langston Hughes. He wrote the poem, we read 3 different poems by him. One said, "What happens to the dream deferred? Does it dry up like a raisin in the sun?" And the other one is about, "Let America be America again. Let America be the land it once was." And then it says, who believes the American dream? Not me, it's not for me. Do you remember this poem? In this poem it talks about some people don't believe the American dream. So you said one reason why it's difficult is because some people feel lazy or they don't want to work hard. What is another problem for some people with the American dream?
Some people because some people I have no idea.
Opportunity.
That's okay. Do you believe that everyone has equal opportunity in America?
Yeah.
And do you think that was always true in America?
No.
Can you explain a little bit more? Why no?
Because some people they're like the life now. They don't want to do anything to get the better. And some people they have different. Some people they have different ideas. They want to get better. That they are thinking different.
Do you know the word opportunity? Opportunity? Do you know?
Gateway.
Yeah.
And do you think that everyone in America had equal opportunity, the same opportunity for everyone 100 years ago?
No.
Because
not everyone have
opportunity, like why? Like for example, who?
For example, some people was poor. They no more power to get the community
Opportunity. Okay, great. Thank you very much, Shirley. Okay. So, Shirley, this one is for you to write. Some ideas, and everyone else, can you write down on the pink paper? Let's see, where is the pink paper?
Ay, no, me van a agarrar con las preguntas también.
Last one.
Oh, you know. 知道，我今日先知道，原來 Hello 呢首歌係 Beyond 唱，唔係 Beyonce 唱喎。
So Andy, can you write down on
Stop
here a
talking
little
about
bit?
Beyonce.
But he say
Yeah.
She did talk about Beyonce.
she talking is the Beyond, not Beyonce.
So, did you finish all the? Okay. Are you presenting today?
反正我要聽人哋點講，我先可以講。
你覺得呢個問
Me la yo quería que me grabaras. Me olvidó
¿Qué
decir.
sabes que
你
aprendiste?
覺得問題問得多唔多？
唔係好多啫，可以接受啊。
唐生做嗰個先多。
跟吃了炫迈根本停不下来。
狂收到嗰個超多。
Yeah, of course, yeah. Like tomorrow,
我覺得比較多。
你？
我覺得比較多好多。
我只知用去煮咗翻嚟俾你問
You can
咯。
do,
我只知用去煮咗翻嚟俾你問，我都係打盤 pair 添。
不如叫你揀 chemistry。
寫好寫嘛，但係都會答問題嗰度，我點
pen,
覆
paper, the green and the
Gonzalo viendo bien otra vez. We started to do the bathroom again.
整個 health 我睇下佢點。
Tienes nervios.